All right, everybody, so today we're going to be reviewing Sprayway glass cleaner. Sprayway glass cleaner. Some people call it Sprayway. You can call it Sprayway. But anyway, let's get straight into this. Having clean windows on a vehicle is really imperative. The main reason is because safety. If your windows are dirty, you can get into an accident if you can't see out of them. So, and also you could get pulled over and get a ticket. Depending on what country you're in, county, what have you, you can get pulled over. Same thing if you have a busted windshield, which that's another subject. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you Sprayway glass cleaner, ammonia-free, spray and white clean, leaves no film, windows, mirrors, and windshields. Very, very important now. All right, so directions: shake well before each use, will not spray when cold. Pay attention to that. Remove protective cap, hold dispenser upright, point valve opening toward window or glass to be sprayed, holding about 8 to 12 inches away. Press button, spray on fine mist and wipe clean for best results. Polish with a lint-free cotton cloth. Unplug, energize electrical equipment prior to use, not for use on non-glass flat panel TVs. So don't use it on TV, it's not good. Don't inhale it, don't spray it in your eyes. Don't let it sit on your skin. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shake it. I'm going to shake it, okay? See all these smears and stuff on the window? I'm showing you here in the light. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it. You're probably wondering, why are you spraying so much? Main reason, I'm gonna set this over here. The main reason is because I want the product to work. If you're gonna spray it on something, use a microfiber cloth, by the way, to wipe this off. So this microfiber came from Sam's Club. You can get it. They have about, gosh, I think it's 30 in a pack. No, forgive me, 35 in a pack for like 14, 15 bucks. Depending on where you're at, it may vary a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it up a little bit. See that Sprayway working on there. And fold it into fours, put it on here, very, very straightforward. And I'm just gonna wipe it. And you start seeing it kind of drag, turn it over to a dry side, just like that. And then, just like that, you have a clean window. Look at that, clean. Now you can see this beautiful scenery behind me. It's gorgeous. You can hear the water splashing in paradise right now. Figured I'd share it with you. Now, you're probably wondering, what about the windshield? You see these bugs on here? See those bugs? Okay, let me show you some. See those bugs? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Set that right there. Now, I'm gonna take this microfiber. I'm just gonna wipe. And look, those bugs come right off. Look at that. It's amazing. 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 Look at that, y'all. Sprayway glass cleaner. It's amazing stuff. So, you're probably wondering, how much is Sprayway? Well, Sprayway glass cleaner is about, gosh, I think I spent $7 on this product. $7. That's it. I have something else for y'all. So something else that this Sprayway glass cleaner can be used on is chrome. Now chrome, stainless steel, and I'm about to show you something real quick. So let me show you on the bumper up here. Give me just one sec, here we go. Because it's ammonia free. See that bug that's on here? Let's see, see that? See that bug? Just like that. I don't want the camera to go away because then you'll say it's a camera trick. No, watch. See that? Off. Just that easy. So just something to kind of keep in mind. It does work on stainless steel and chrome. So Sprayway glass cleaner does multiple things. It does multiple usage. Use it inside the house. Use it on a vehicle. This is for automotive. This is for windows, mirrors, and windshields. So, and I guess it is good for mirrors inside of a house. It does say it on the bottle. But keep that in mind. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.